Okay, so I have decided to do this quick video because I bought this keyboard recently. It's the Royal Clutch rk61, and it has a different layout from what I was used to write on before. So this has only 61 keys, and the keyboard that I used before, they had way more keys than this one. And the layout was different because it was from a European keyboard, and this one is United States keyboard. So I was checking, and there is different layouts for each country. This one, it's based on the ANSI layout, and the European one is based on the ISO layout. And what happens with this is that sometimes when you write on the keyboard, you don't see the characters that you wrote in your screen. You see some characters that are different. And that happens because your hardware is not matching your software. So you need to configure your software to make this work. And on Windows it's pretty easy. So here, in this case, this is Windows 11, if I'm not mistaken. I usually don't use Windows. I just use it because of I need it for work. But here on the right side, you have a place where you can choose the keyboards. And I use the Portuguese keyboard, the European Portuguese. And just that makes a lot of issues because you have words in Portuguese that not words, letters in Portuguese that do not exist in English, and the disposition of these keys are completely different, plus the type of keyboard is different. So what we need to do, or you need to do, is to come here, and instead of having the keyboard that you put by default, in your case it would be another language or even Portuguese, and you need to put it to match the international keyboard from United States, so the layout from United States. If you use this one or any of these, it would work fine, but it all depends on what you want it to match. So in my case, I would just put this and everything would work. So if we put the default one and I try to write this major and minor, it's not what I get. And if I change then this to international, now it will work fine. And as you see, it's pretty simple, and it took me a while to figure out because I never cared about these things of mechanical keyboard. I just started to try it recently because I played some games and I thought it would be interesting to use it on my computer. And I was having problems because I code a bit, and if you don't access all these special characters, it's just insane. So how do you do this on Mac? So for Mac, you just need to go to your Finder and you write keyboard. So in my case, my Mac is in Portuguese, so I will write teclado, but in your case you just write keyboard, or the way you say it on your language. And then you need to go to types of keyboards. And here you have a list of languages that you can choose. For now I just have Portuguese, but I can add another one. And I just need to select here the English one, and then click on USA International, and you add it. And you will notice that now here on the top you have a new icon with what is currently working on. So I still have the Portuguese here on the Mac, and oops, I don't know what I did. Okay, so now if I go again to the major and minor, I have the same issue, but if I change here to international and do the same thing, it's working now. So yeah, this is it. Of course, some characters you will not get it because they don't exist in the English language, but overall, if you need all these special characters and have all these things properly done here on the top keys, this will solve your problem, and it solves mine, so I hope it can help you. So stay safe, thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.